So hello my dear friends, I hope you all are doing very good and your preparation would be going literally very good. The screen you can see here that कि CUT UG परीक्षा रद्द NTA ने जारी किया आदेश. Whatsoever it is going on, that is all of media things. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. This is all fake news only. So we don't have exact the verification of such news, but this is the news what you can see just below, that CUT UG has postponed the exam. That is official. That NTA is mailing and NTA is also providing updates regarding what is the situation going on in Kashmir and this Manipur जो क्लैश हुआ है. एंड इन बिटवीन आई मस्ट टेल यू कि CUT PG का जो एग्ज़ाम है दैट इज एज फार एज पर गिवन डेट, दैट इज़ 5th of June to 12th of June. If any case is there is any kind of change, I will definitely notify you, but in your mind right now you should keep that कि exam will be on time, but there is a high chance, high possibility that CUT PG एग्ज़ाम में भी चेंजेज आएंगे. एंड यू प्लीज़ कीप प्रिपेयरिंग हार्ड गाइज. And in between, just I would like to share one good news also, that you've been with us for long time, and our NviNomics app has also been launched. As you so guys, just go to the Google Play Store and please download the app so that you can access all kinds of free materials there. So many things are there. Budget hai, economic survey hai, so many PDF are there, free lectures are there, so many demo classes are there, and you will have definitely very good feel, very smooth app we have downloaded. The app link is given in the description below. You can also check it out from there. And in between, I must tell you that exam will be most probably in June only. So you can, if you are looking for the course, so you can join the course also, CUT PG. The course detail, everything is here given. Very minimum fee in the entire India, and this course is valid for only 2-3 months because exam is very near. So only for 3 months this course is valid. You can access of it. And the main thing is that about the exam, in exam you need limited time, limited material. So in within 10 to 12 days you can cover entire syllabus for 23 batch. And we have one also good news for the 24 batch, because this time we are going to launch in very comprehensive manner of CUT 2024 batch, in which you must have watched the free demo lectures. Free demo lectures links also given below, and it is also there on the app, in which this year we are going to start with test series, PYQ discussion, live discussion. We will have 2 faculties this time and 15 years of course validity, 15 months of this course validity. So here all the details given. You please connect us with us guys. Our email ID, our WhatsApp number, phone number, Instagram, everything is there. Just I would request you to please download the app, and we have also web server. You can just connect us with the chat if you want iPhone version or anything. Just connect us on the given details. So I wish you all the best. And regarding exams, so far you have to be very much positive, because people are creating rumor कि एग्ज़ाम कैंसिल हो गया है, NTA ने नोटिस जारी कर दिया है, एग्ज़ाम नहीं होंगी अब, एग्ज़ाम अब 1-2 महीना प्रोटेस्ट होगा, जुलाई होगा, बिकॉज सो मेनी प्रोटेस्ट आर ऑल्सो गोइंग ऑन. ट्विटर पे टैग वाला भी चल रहा है, जो भी हो, बट एज ऑफ नो योर माइंड शुड बी द in the positive direction, and please keep in mind कि exam will be conducted between 5th of June to 12th of June, CUT PG. In case of any development happens, any official notice come, then only I will notify at my Telegram channel. Link is given below, or my official YouTube. Okay guys, thank you, all the best, and stay connected. Please download the app.